Introducing the 2023 Skoda Octavia RS 2.0 TDI with 200 horsepower and DSG automatic transmission. This stunning green saloon is packed full of comfort, safety, and convenience features, making it the perfect blend of style and practicality. From its luxurious interior with ambient lighting and satellite navigation, to its advanced safety features like lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. The exterior features a sleek spoiler, sport exhaust pipe, and privacy glass for added style and security. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritskoda.ie for more information today.